Hello, entrepreneurs. Welcome to Business 101, where we answer questions that small businesses or entrepreneurs may have. If you have any questions you would like us to answer, comment below your question. Today's question is it better to make it yourself or to outsource? Let's get into the video. First and foremost, let's talk about the cost. Making a product in-house may seem like a cost-effective option, but if you consider all the expensive manufacturing equipment, raw material, labor, and overhead costs can add up quickly. On the other hand, outsourcing can provide cost saving in terms of labor, especially if you are working with experienced partners. Do you have the expertise and resources required to produce the product to the desired quality? Sometimes outsourcing to specialists who excel in the particular field can result in better end products. However, if your in-house team has the necessary skills and knowledge, you might want to keep control over the production process. Think about your long-term goals. Will your product demand increase? Scaling up production can be more manageable with outsourcing partners who have the capability to accommodate growth. In-house production may require significant invest in facilities and workforce training to keep up with increased demands. How important is control over the production phase and product quality to you? Making a product in-house gives you more control, but it also means more responsibility. Outsourcing can provide access to specialized equipment and processes that may result in a higher quality product. Time to market is crucial in today's fast-paced business world. Outsourcing can often speed up the production process, since specialized partners can start working on your project immediately. In-house production may require more time for setup and training. Consider the risks involved. What if your products face unforeseen challenges or marketed changes? Outsourcing can sometimes spread the risks and provide flexibility. However, in-house production allows more direct control and adjustments. Your brand identity is essential. Some businesses prefer to produce in-house to maintain their brand image and reputation. If your product is closely tied to your brand story, in-house production might be the way to go. So, should you make the product yourself or outsource it? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The answer depends on your unique circumstances, goals, and resources. It's crucial to weigh all the factors we discussed today and carefully evaluate which option aligns best with your business strategies. Remember, it's not about finding the right answer. It's about making the right decisions for your specific situation. And sometimes, a hybrid approach combining both in-house and outsourcing can be the winning formula. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Business 101 for more valuable insights into entrepreneurship and business strategies. Please also check out our business on Etsy. It will be linked in the description below. Thank you for joining us today. Whatever choice you make, may it lead you towards greater success and growth. Till next time, keep making those informative decisions and keep striving for excellence.